In this video, you will learn about phrasal verbs with around and about. Phrasal verbs with around and about often express the idea of acting in a relaxed way or without a particular purpose. Remember that most of the verbs in this video are informal. Listen and repeat after me. Wait about. Wait around. If you can wait around for about an hour, we should be able to tell you your results. It means stay in one place without doing anything as you wait for something to happen. Laze about. Laze around. For the first week of our holiday, we usually just laze about on the beach. It means relax and enjoy yourself by doing very little. Sit about. Sit around. Please let me help you. I don't like just sitting about all day. It means spend time sitting down and doing very little. Hang about. Hang around. There are always a lot of rather suspicious-looking people hanging round outside that bar. It means spend time somewhere without doing very much. Mess about. Mess around. The pupils were given extra homework for messing around in class. It means spend time playing or doing things with no particular purpose. Mess somebody about. Mess somebody around. He's been messing her around for ages and just won't commit to the relationship. It means treat someone badly or waste their time. For example, by changing your mind or not doing what you promised. Lie about. Lie around. I hate the way she just lies around all day watching TV while I'm working. It means spend time lying down doing very little. At the end of this video, we will practice some exercises and quizzes. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Fans were milling about the hotel lobby, hoping to see the film star and get her autograph. It means walking around a particular place or area, usually while waiting for something. Meanwhile, photographers and journalists were standing about chatting to each other. It means spending time standing in a place, waiting for someone or doing very little. Listen to this conversation between Tyler and Anna.
Can you stick around this afternoon? If so, I'll take you around the office and introduce you to the other account managers if you like.
No. It's all right. Thanks. The boss has already shown me around.
Let's check the phrasal verbs that were used in this conversation. Stick around. Stick around. It means stay somewhere for a period of time. Take somebody around. It means visit a place with someone showing them the most interesting or important parts. Show around. Show around. It means go with someone to a place that they have not visited before and show them the interesting parts. Match the verbs in the left-hand column with the best definitions in the right-hand column. 1. Mess about. Behave stupidly or waste time. 2. Hang about. Spend time somewhere not doing very much. 3. Lie about. Lie down doing very little. 4. Sit about. Spend time sitting down and doing very little. 5. Laze about. Relax. Enjoy yourself and doing very little. Now, use these verbs to fill the gaps in the sentences below. Write the verbs in the correct form, and use each verb once only. One. She just lies around on the sofa all day chatting to friends online. I wish she'd get a job. 2. We could be hanging round here for hours waiting for a taxi. Let's walk. 3. After the meeting we were just sitting around chatting for a while. 4. My idea of a perfect weekend is just lazing around at home with a good book. 5. I wish the kids would stop messing about. Rewrite the underlined words in these sentences using phrasal verbs. One. Do you want to stay here after the meeting? I finish work at 5 p.m., and I could go with you and show you the most interesting places in the old town. 2. Nothing much happened at the demonstration. We just stood in one place not doing much and held our banners up. 3. They spend most weekends just doing things without much purpose in their boat. They don't really sail it seriously. 4. On my first day, the boss went with me through the workshop and introduced me to various people I'd be working with. 5. At the drinks party, people were just wandering here and there, hoping to find someone they knew. 6. Look. I'm sorry. I don't want to cause you problems and waste your time. But I wonder if we could postpone our meeting till next week. In the next video, I will teach you some phrasal verbs with for and with. Don't forget to subscribe and like.